This is the former Seaberg elevator in Weller Hall. Hofstra got a monitor tier mod. Ooh, still has the original. Actually, I don't know if that's the original. Oh my god. That's way too loud. They padded it, really? Well, let's enjoy our monitor tier experience. First one of the day. It's still bottom drive. I don't think that's the original motor though, now that I think about it. Definitely not. Yeah, that's definitely not. The button stays lit until the door opens. Alright, here we go. Motion activated lights. Alright, L. Interior itself seems to be just stainless steel, so doesn't seem like I'm missing out on anything interior wise. Obviously, this is a Seaberg. If you've seen, someone had a video of when this is original, and then I got a monitor tier mod. That sucks.